Good morning, student. Myself, Ajit Yadav. Just I am here for teaching you just as a grammar. I would like to teach you some grammar portion with some extra techniques. With the Asha tutorials, we all of the teachers just focus all the students that how could you grow your knowledge with the grammaticals and with the readers. Some extra technique points. Thus we all are the provide with some extra intelligence with coachings. I hope that you should be came here that you should adapt all the collection one by one. But right now I am teaching you some extra technique but with the base of the points of grammar. I request all the guys or students please come and join my coaching classes with we all students and with the teachers that we can focus all of the you belonging to the villages or any peoples. Please, I request you attend the coaching classes and we provided some extra materials, some extra techniques, some extra intelligence. It will grow your knowledge.